Hello again. Today guys, I'm going to show you how to do a 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. If you want to follow along, grab something to write with and let's do it. If your sum is written out horizontally, the first thing we do is rewrite it vertically. (94 times 25). Now we're ready, starting with the 5. 5 times 4 is 20. And like before, we're going to only put the 0 in the ones, and this 2 tens we're going to add to the next answer. 5 times 9 is 45, plus the 2 tens, 46, 47. 47. Keeping everything lined up. Now we're dealing with the tens, and remember that this isn't just 2 times 4 and 2 times 9, it's actually going to be 20 times 4 and 20 times 9. To reflect that, we have to put that 0, don't forget. Now we're ready. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 9 is 18. Now we're ready to plus the 2. 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 8 is 15. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. 1 plus 1 is 2. And there we go. That's our answer. I'm going to put 1 on the board for you now to have a go, and then pause the video, and when you're ready to mark, press play. Have a go of this one by yourself, and when you're ready to mark, press play. Let's mark, starting with the ones. 4 times 5 is 20, but remember I'm just going to put the 0 here, and I'm going to add this 2 tens to the answer of this one. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2, 13, 14. Now dealing with the tens, so we have to put that 0 down. 2 times 5 is 10. Once again, putting the 0 here and the plus 1 here. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Now we're ready to add them together. 0 plus 0 is 0, 4 plus 0 is 4, 1 plus 7 is 8. Let's have a go at one more. Alright, have a go at this by yourself. Press play when you're ready to mark. Let's mark. 5 times 9 is 45. I'm going to put the 5 here and plus 4 here to the next answer. 5 times 5 is 25, plus 4 is 29. Now we're ready to deal with the 3. Remember that it's 30, so we have to put the 0 to represent. 3 times 9 is 27. That's from before, so we can take that away. 3 times 9 is 27. So we're going to put the 7 here, and this 2 we're going to add to the next answer. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 is 17. Now we're ready to plus these together. 5 plus 0 is 5, 9 plus 7 is 16, 3, 7 is 10, 20. There we go. I hope you got that answer. If you're now an expert at doing 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication, hit the like button and subscribe if you want to learn more.